Once you have a site created with a template, you're going to want to edit the pages to make them your own. If you use one of the templates that have been created by your Building Tech integrator, you're going to want to change the name here from template site to the name that you want for your classroom. So you need to click on this button right here. It's a pencil. It's the edit button. And you'll notice when you click on the edit button, you're going to get a different menu bar here. And all of the buttons here are very similar to what you would see in a word processing software program. You have the undo and the redo button. Here's where you would choose a different font, the font size, bold, italic, and underline, font color. This would be the background or highlight color of the font. This is to create a hyperlink, numbers or bulleted list, decreasing and increasing your indent, and the alignment left, center, and align right, removing formatting, and HTML. HTML you would use if you know HTML code and you wanted to add something in that wasn't within any of these options. The first thing you're going to want to do is change this to the name that you want it to be. So I would name mine Mrs. Shagham's Computer Literacy Website. And then I would check to see if these were all things that I would want to have on here. Homework assignments, class calendar, documents, announcements, web links, and contacts. And those are all things that I would use. So that would be all that I needed to change here. If I wanted to change what it says down here, for example, enter in different text, I could say, welcome to the Computer Literacy Website. If I wanted to change the font, select everything that I want to change, and then I could change the font type, the size, the color, or any of the other options that are here. If I wanted to create a hyperlink or link to another page, I would simply click on the text that I want to change. If I wanted this to be a link to go back to Sunset Ridge, I would select this and click on the link button and change this to web address. And I want it to go to Sunset Ridge's page. And I would click on open this in a new window if I wanted it to open in a separate window. Otherwise, if I just want this to redirect to the page, I would leave it alone and click OK. Once I've finished making my changes, I would click Save. And you would see that all of the changes that I made are now on the screen.